Hi guys, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian, and the last couple of days I've been wearing, not a couple of days, it's been like a week, maybe 2 weeks, okay, correction. But I've been wearing my hair in a ponytail, and a lot of you, I'm lying again. I just wanted to make this tutorial because I thought it would be helpful for anyone out there who has short hair and you want to wear like a high pony. So this is my real hair. She's cute, huh? She's short. She's a virgin. Never been touched. It's in this weird stage where it's just here and I kind of don't know what to do with it. So I've been wearing a ponytail. I just don't know what to do with it. Here's what you need. A fake ponytail. I got it on Amazon. I'll list it down below. If you have short hair, either like a weft of hair will work. You could be like me and I just use this. It's like a, what is this called? It's like a headband, pretty much. It's a black headband, scarf. I don't know. You could use a bandana, whatever you got. And I'll explain what it does. But if you have longer hair, you don't need this thing. You need a brush. This one, it's called Brush Strokes. Don't know if this is good or not, but it works. So that's why I use it. Some rubber bands here. This is like my favorite of all time. It's called BB Pump It Up Gold Styling Spritz. Super hold. This right here. But this is magic. So the first thing I want to do is get my hair smooth back. Spray. Shake her up and pretty much spray my hair. And before that dries, you want to like brush, smooth the hair back in the direction that the ponytail is going to go in. I spray underneath as well. I don't really know fully what I'm doing, but like this is what I've been doing. Underneath my hair, like this bottom part is where my hair always falls down, and this stuff, this spray, it holds it up. I don't even have to use bobby pins. Like that's amazing to me. I didn't know such a thing exists. Okay, and then I get it up in the pony and I start to smooth her out. Now this part, I'm honestly 100% not the best at. I don't know how people get it super smooth, like without any bumps, because my hand starts to cramp, like right now. As soon as I get one area smooth, then the other area gets bumpy. So this part I haven't mastered. Maybe one day. Ponytail. Okay, but she's up there. She's perked up there. Next part, let me scoot up. If you have longer hair, what you're gonna do is take it and like wrap it up in a bun. But since I have a little nub, take this and wrap this around my hair. And I know if you have a weft of hair, like fake extensions or something, you can use a row of that and wrap your hair around. No one's gonna see this part of your hair, so it doesn't matter. And the reason I'm doing this is because it's gonna give my ponytail some height, which I want. I want her to be up. The extension I'm using is the bungee type, so it has like a elastic band which you tighten and it wraps the hair around the pony and then it stays all day. Now the reason I like this type over this hair extension where it's just like this U shape with one clip is because this U shape, if you have a nub of hair, you could just see my nub of hair like poking out. If you have longer hair, if you have longer hair, it blends nicely, but just doesn't flow right for me personally. So I like this one a lot for shorter hair. This one was $10 on Amazon, and I'll link it down below, but it did not come with these two clips. I sewed them in myself. It came with a clip like that, two of them. It comes with one here and one there, and you just like slide it into your hair, pull the drawstring, and you're good to go, which still works. It works perfectly fine. I just used a seam ripper and took that off. Hand sewed in these two clips. The reason that I did these ones, for me personally, it feels extra secure. And if I whip my hair back and forth, it's really not gonna like slide out or fall off. But you don't have to do this unless you wanna feel extra secure. So you just take the top part, put it in the front. Normally you would just slide it in, it'd be fine. I'm gonna clip it in. Before clipping the bottom, you take the drawstring and you pull it nice and tight. And then I clip it. I wrap the drawstring around and then tuck it in. So that little bump that I put in there, it's giving this lift. If you don't have that bump in there, then it just kind of falls more straight down. I take a little piece of hair from the side or the bottom, wrap it to cover the front where you can see everything. Boom and boom. And then, oh, I'm sorry, you need bobby pins too. I'm so sorry, I ruined everything. I bought this like jumbo pack of bobby pins on Amazon. That way I have no excuse as to like me not being able to find a bobby pin. I bobby pin it down. If you do the little stuffed situation on a U-shape hair extension like this, you'll see it popping out at the bottom. So that's why I really like the drawstring type that goes and hugs around the hair nub. And it just works for me, and I just really enjoy it on my head. Oh, also this is synthetic hair. When it came, it was really shiny. I just put a bunch of dry shampoo in it and it got rid of the shine. Also, don't try and curl the synthetic hair. It will melt. So if you want a curly one, just look for curly ones. And there you go. You got some hair. You can also fill in your hairline, which I would, but like I'm not that worried about it. I don't know. Unless you got like, sometimes I brush my hair in a way where you can really see the gaps in my scalp. But for the most part, like I'm human, I have a scalp. Cute, huh? I'm telling you, adding like that little stuffing in there makes all the difference. Is this my first hair tutorial? Let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day today. Make good choices, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.